with Justice Ginsburg in the election uncertainty. Part of the reason for today's sell-off, and no matter who wins in November, it's going to have an impact on your money and your portfolio. So how should investors be positioning themselves ahead of the election? Here with thoughts, the president of Bolvin Wealth Management, Gina Bolvin. Gina, you deal with a lot of wealthy clients. You're well known on Wall Street. What are you telling your clients today?
So, well, I think we've been expecting some volatility, Charles, in the market. History shows us that generally before an election, especially a presidential election, September and October, there is typical volatility, especially since we're coming off the best August that we've seen in 30 years. So I think that we're looking, though, beyond the election, and we're focused on other factors other than the election that's really going to drive our strategy. And we think there's a perfect scenario for stocks right now. We think there's a very compelling case to own equities. First of all, the Fed has made dovish comments, and they're committed to keeping interest rates low for the next few years. There's massive stimulus that hasn't even made its way into the economy. So whether or not we get another stimulus package, we still think that the massive stimulus we've already had will make its way in. We're seeing
so it's interesting, Gina. You're saying to let the volatility in this dip, it should be your friend, right? You should be looking to buy this market, and I guess you're assuming the Fed will come through with something because it feels like Wall Street wants them to, right? I mean, it's good that Jay Powell is talking the right talk per se, but, they haven't made any moves. And what is it going to be? Negative rates? Will it be curbs on yields? I mean, at some point he's going to have to do something, I would think, for Wall Street to believe that, yes, he is committed to accommodating investors and this economy.
Well, so that's one of the reasons, Charles, why we like the technology sector. The technology sector has proven to be pandemic-proof. And the best-case scenario, we get a vaccine and technology will do well. The worst-case scenario is a vaccine is a lot longer than any of us want to see. And you can even make a case in that scenario, technology will do even better. So we like technology for that reason. And also, we're seeing earnings growth rise and continue to rise. And they're going to be next year estimated to be above pre-pandemic levels. So we do have a tilt in our portfolio.
Well, you know what? Well, I love hearing that. And to your point, already today, with the market still near the lows of the session, we've seen technology reverse. Semiconductors look fantastic. Those cloud stocks look fantastic. Some of these work-from-home tech ideas look fantastic. Right. Apple's reversed higher. Gina, I think the market is actually echoing what you're saying. So we'll look forward to riding out this volatility and maybe a great 2021. It's fantastic having you on the show. Thank you very much, Gina.